Thinking about starting an online business? Be careful. Choosing the wrong tool could cost you hundreds every month and slow down your success. In this video, I'll compare 3 of the most popular platforms used to build sales funnels and marketing systems: Systeme.io, ClickFunnels, and Kartra. Many beginners get excited by flashy ads and end up subscribing to expensive tools, only to quit a few weeks later due to complexity or high monthly fees. So, which tool is actually best for beginners? One that's simple, affordable, and powerful enough to launch your online business. Let's break it down. Let's talk pricing. ClickFunnels starts at $97 a month. Kartra, $99 a month. But Systeme.io gives you a completely free forever plan, no credit card required. All 3 platforms offer landing pages, email marketing, automations, course creation, and checkout features. But the user experience is where things differ. Systeme.io's interface is beginner-friendly and intuitive. Meanwhile, ClickFunnels and Kartra pack in dozens of tabs and settings that overwhelm new users. With Systeme.io, you can launch a landing page and email funnel in under 15 minutes. With the others, you'll spend hours figuring out how to get started. ClickFunnels and Kartra are great for large businesses, marketing teams, or agencies, not solo creators or beginners with limited budgets. Systeme.io is made for solopreneurs, freelancers, course creators, and affiliate marketers, people who want a simple, all-in-one system that works. Systeme.io gives you everything: sales funnels, email campaigns, online courses, affiliate program, and payments, all in one place. ClickFunnels has no free plan. Its dashboard is heavy, loads slowly on lower-end devices, and includes advanced features you may never use. Kartra is powerful, but also extremely complex. New users often spend hours watching tutorials just to learn the basics. ClickFunnels was the leader years ago. But today, Systeme.io is growing fast because it's simpler, more accessible, and better for people just starting out. Systeme.io also has great support, with active Facebook groups, a knowledge base, and responsive email help for beginners. So here's the bottom line. If you're new to online business and want a simple, affordable way to get started, Systeme.io is your best bet. You can try Systeme.io for free today. Just click the link below. No payment info required. Start building your first funnel, launch an email campaign, or sell a digital product, all in one evening using Systeme.io. Subscribe to AI SmartForge for more AI tools, tutorials, and ways to make money online with the help of automation. Choosing the right tool from the beginning saves time, money, and stress. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.